Hey guys, so a few months ago I got this laptop. It's an ASUS VivoBook, and like I never noticed anything out of the ordinary. But then a few days ago, as I opened the box again, I've seen this. So this is a little, um, basically it's like a cardboard laptop stand. So I was like, hey, that's pretty interesting. So I'm actually just like, let's set up this thing together. I never did arts and crafts, so hopefully this will be simple enough. But yeah. So, like I said, this is the box, and all you need is a knife. I'm using this knife. Bless me. But you can use a scissors. I just think, wait, yeah, I just think I'll get a cleaner cut with this knife, but you can definitely use the scissors as well. So let us do that. So when you cut the thingy, you're not damaging the box. You can still use the box, which is very, very well designed on their part. So these are the instructions. Like I said, I've never done arts and crafts, so wait. Okay. Okay. Okay, I have to push this. Where do I? Okay, I put it this way. I think. Yeah. Hopefully I'm doing the right thing, yeah. And then fold. Wait, what? Oh, fold here. Yeah? Okay, so this have to go in here from the looks of things. But where do I fold it? You know what? Let me just quickly watch something to help me, because I'm like I'm afraid of folding it the wrong way and making it unusable. Guys, I was folding the wrong way. There's actually like guidelines on how you should fold it. You see this? So I was folding, because I was folding this way, so I would have torn it. You're supposed to fold it like this. So you just follow these guidelines here, and then you should be alright. Oh, and then each of these things must come in here, and then this, wait, this one must come in here on both sides, and then this side must, okay. There we go. Okay, so you can put your laptop like this, because there's this ridge on the laptop, and then you, hey, that one's risky. That one is risky. Oh snap, that's actually pretty cool. Not to sound dramatic or anything. It's the perfect height for typing, like good ergonomics and all that. So yeah, and then the other way is to store it like this. Oh my days. This is such a great space saver. I don't know. So yeah. Worse still, I bought this one after I already got to this laptop. So if I had known, I would have just think I didn't know I had my own laptop stand here when I bought this one. So yeah. This shape here just makes it like perfect on the stand here. So yeah, yeah, like that. Okay. ASUS, I wasn't familiar with your game. This is very cool.